Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's where the fun begins. Today's video is full of unexpected fails and big laughs. Get ready, because the chaos starts now. The bench, I'm also give up you all, are so heavy I can't bear that shit. Me, without contributing a single cent, I'll be there complaining as loud as I can.
Hey!
Ah, I tried to flip at the graduation and failed? You didn't even get a push, you just sat there squawking about your soul. But no one talks about you wearing socks? If Uncle didn't work there then, you would have shown the power of his punch.
Sevillano, con permiso, buenas tardes.
I've already sucked something, now to go get something in the neighboring bucket. When you meet a robber while carrying an umbrella, you fight with the skills you learned. The Rams immediately make a rose, not this fountain, like everyone else. Americans, when they don't have guns, so, the phone is more important than
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rotator with the
It's alright, little things happen in big cities. Stats say this is the most common injury in gyms.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying grandmother.
The straw said you're not allowed to drink this. We have a new floor for you to test floor. Now tested. I don't know the language itself, but I know he said I'm dead. When you order Hulk from Temu, the Hulk. The latter, can I ask you a question? The question. Owner watching him lose 3 sticks from 1 kick. Honestly, the best case scenario, lol, flat on the back with turf. Who makes themselves comfy on porch fence on a delivery?
You okay? Oh, yes, luckily.
And now they think the girls are impressed. Looking at the expression on her face, the person will explode before the crackers burst. Wonder what she's going to do once she's behind the wheels.
Sarap nito, tangina. Nagbabato ng chinelas dito. Merienda. Ang sarap magmerienda ng pansit. Uy! Putang ina mo! Oy! Kanino chinelas to? putang ina nyo.
If it was meant to happen, it wouldn't go out so well.
Fala, pessoa, chegando uma carreta de café.
Blame it on the rain. Yeah, you're not doing anything.
Ooh, it's nice out. Oh!
Wife, I have no idea, husband. Sudden idea with action.
Oh! Oh shit! Ano ba ako na?
Video 38. It turned out way better than if it worked.
Good.
Bruh, with his non-using brain and non-certified intelligence, landed in style, way for water, good thing it happened.
Cuando se te atora una piedrita en tu tacón. Pinche riscazo.
No, this is a sign that there is no marriage.
لازم تطيع.
Whoever, say you pointed at the screen. Well, at least you weren't carrying the backpack. Drag was actually set well, maybe a hair too tight. That fish was big.
Oh. Shit.
These chairs and the table don't deserve this kind of meal. What an ugly fish. Girl, all it needed was the pose, and you did it.
Minha filha, eu chacoalhei aqui o bagulho.
What invisible crawler was that vessel? Mercy.
Tu quer me ouvir? Vem pra você.
Sometime bad luck's fuck you like nobody can fucks. Holding the can like a 3-year-old, the woman is right.
Ah, vai se fuder, mano.
The cameraman should be taken into cricket. He knew that she wouldn't make it the second time.
Bitte Fall rein. Kannst loslassen. Komm nochmal. Zieh durch.
That umbrella would have knocked me to the ground, and I would have 10x richer.
Entonces, esto una vez que está así, lo llevamos al centrifugado.
It's not normal to be breathing that hard from doing nothing. What is the point of showing hands to the people in front of this? Tried to get off stage without getting seen. The boy said first the tooth, then the earring. What the back looks like when it's going down.
Here we go.
Way she laughs after like it wasn't fucking cold. And that's a wrap on today's funny fails. Hope these moments gave you a good laugh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.